Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video I'm going to give you my hands-on overview with this new gaming laptop from Lenovo that is known as the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. And I have been actually using this for the last couple of weeks, so I'll give you an overview and what do I feel about this laptop. Actually, this is a pretty powerful gaming laptop. It comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor and a very powerful GPU, that's the NVIDIA RTX 3070. Guys, just want to make it clear that this video is being made in association with Lenovo and AMD, and in fact, due to the sponsorship, we are having actually 3 giveaways of this laptop. So 3 lucky of you can win this laptop. I'll have details about that in the description. And again, thanks Lenovo and AMD for sponsoring this video and the giveaway. So guys, let me start with the physical overview of the laptop. And if you notice, this light is glowing. Actually, you can disable it or enable it. I'll show you with the hotkey. But first, let me actually start with the physical overview. And here on this end, if you notice, again, as it's a gaming laptop, we have a lot of vents on this one. Here we have a Type-C port, and this is your headphone microphone combo jack. You cannot charge the laptop from this Type-C port, but if you move towards the back, again, it has the Lenovo branding over here. Here are all the ports. Here, the main power brick will be attached. I'll show you. It's actually a 300-watt power brick, and this is your, Type A port. We have a HDMI port, and the good thing is that this is HDMI 2.1, so you can output at very high resolutions and even that 120 FPS if your TV supports. Then we again have 2 more Type A ports, and we also have a Type-C port, and this is special, guys, because this supports power delivery up to 100 watts. So if you're just casually carrying the laptop here and they're not doing serious gaming or something, you can charge it via this one also. And then we have a LAN port, that's a gigabit port also. Again, lots of vents on this one, and here also we have a vent, and again you have a Type A port. And this is an interesting key. This is actually the key for the webcam. Physically, it will disable the webcam if you move this. So I like this key for privacy reasons. So let's open the laptop, and you will be actually greeted with this gorgeous screen that we have. This is actually a 16-inch screen that we have on this one. It's actually a Quad HD plus 2K screen on this one, and I like that the aspect ratio is 16:10. So if you're doing some productivity work or web browsing or something, you get a lot of vertical space on this laptop. If I go to Twitter, etc., it's not logged in here. I go here, as you can see, you get a lot more vertical space. So for productivity, I like the fact that this is that 16:10. Another thing that I like with this laptop, I'm just going to increase the brightness, guys. And for example, if it's white background, you will notice that this laptop can go actually really, really bright for a gaming laptop. This can go up to 500 nits, which is not that common for a gaming laptop. Most of the gaming laptops top out at about 400 nits. Another thing that I liked is the color accuracy of this laptop is also very good. So when I was watching some videos and stuff also, it was a very good experience, and it's having a matte screen, so it resists the glare, and the viewing angles are also very good. It's a color accurate screen, and what I like is that in terms of refresh rate, this is actually, if I go to display settings, this can actually support, if I go to advanced display, as you can see right now, it is at 165 Hertz, and you can of course drop down to 60 Hertz if you want. So natively it supports 165 Hertz, so great for gaming, and it's 100% sRGB, and also it is actually Dolby Vision certified. I also like that the bezels are not super thick, and then also they have managed to put a webcam integrated into this one. Now coming to the performance of this laptop, the performance of this laptop was very good thanks to the AMD Ryzen 5800H processor. It's a very power efficient processor that's actually based on 7nm process, hence it does not consume that much power, and the result is that it does not heat up also that much. And as you can see, this is CPU Z, and this is the Ryzen 7 5800H, and the maximum TDP is 45 watt. It's based on 7nm process, and it's a proper 8-core 16-thread processor. And memory on this specific variant, again guys, on the side I'll have all the specs. 32 gigabytes of RAM. There are two DIMM slots. So this is the 32 gigabyte variant that we have. It also comes in 16 gigabytes. And the GPU is the NVIDIA RTX 3070 with 8 gigabytes of RAM. And the speciality of this GPU is it can go up to 140 watts, which is great, guys, because I've seen some of the other 3070 GPUs that don't go up to 140 watts. I also ran quite a bit of benchmarks to give you an idea, and you can also download these benchmarks so that you have an idea how is your laptop performing. First, let's look at the Cinebench R23, and as you can see, for the multi-core we got a very healthy score of 12,742, which is actually excellent. I also ran it in single core, and for single core we got a score of 1425. Next, I also ran this is the Geekbench 5. Again, you can download it for free. This is for the GPU I ran. This is using the RTX 3070, and as you can see, we got the crazy score of 1,25,680. I also ran it for the CPU, and here we got a single core score of 1365 and multi-core score of 8104, which is excellent, guys. I also ran PC Mark 10, and here as you can see, the overall score that we got was 6,643. And I also ran for the GPU, if I recall, 3D Mark I ran, and here we got a score of 10,000. What was that? 10,548. Moving to the battery, guys, this has 80 watt hour battery on this one, and you can get anywhere from about 3 hours to about 4.5 hours based on what you are doing. But I would say if you're using on battery power, go into the screen refresh settings and set the screen refresh to 60 Hertz instead of 165. And also in the Lenovo Vantage software that we have, I really like that this one we have it. Enable this hybrid mode, which is actually nothing but a MUX switch. If you don't know what is a MUX switch, Google. That's very important for gaming laptop, and thankfully that is there on this laptop. And this laptop also has the Lenovo AI engine, so it actually optimizes in the background with the firmware to get the best FPS in games. In fact, Lenovo AI auto detects about 16 AAA titles, and you get about 5 to 16% better FPS. But let me now quickly show you some games that I played with this laptop. And the first game I want to show you is Overwatch. And guys, this is the power brick that we have. This is the massive 300 watt power brick. And while gaming, use this to get the best performance. But while traveling, because it supports that power delivery, you don't have to carry this one if you have a portable power delivery charger. And let me actually show you first the resolution and the settings. I'm playing it at the highest Quad HD, and I've kept it limited to 165 FPS. That's the screen, and graphic quality, as you can see, is on ultra. And guys, I really like the screen quality on this one. They have put a very good quality screen on this laptop, guys. And just notice the FPS over here, 175, 176. So again, this was the thing with most of the games. I could play the highest graphic setting and still getting very good FPS. So guys, that was Overwatch, and as you can see, it plays very well. So let's move to the next game now. And guys, this is Doom, and I have kept the stats over here, so you can see. And as you can see, we are comfortably going at 150, 160 FPS on this one. And again, almost no load on the system. And as you can see, I can just move around. So butter smooth graphics on this one, and this is at high settings that I've kept, max that I've kept. So as you can see, no issues, and getting the lighting effects. So again, this is a very powerful GPU. That's the 3070, and the combination with that AMD Ryzen 5800H is a very powerful combination. And guys, this is Forza Horizon 5, a new game, and let's see how it does this one. And if I go to options, and guys, if you look at the graphics, I've set most of the things to ultra, and let's see how it handles it. So guys, this is Forza 5, and just notice the graphics, the lighting and everything. how well it's done on this one. I'm just trying to do the drift and everything. And as you can see, it's handling everything. So just wanted to give you an idea how well it's handling. Just notice the lighting, the reflections and everything. So guys, this is Battlefield, and if you notice how smooth it is, this is online I'm playing. Oh, I'll get killed. I just wanted to show you the graphics, and as you can see, it's good. Let me actually go here in options, and if I go to video, if you notice, I'm keeping it at 165 hertz, and then also it's working very well. And again, this is I'm playing the multiplayer. This is a very addictive game. I used to play this a lot. This is, just mind you guys, this is multiplayer. The campaign is also beautiful on this one. And again, as you can see, very smooth frame rates. Don't have to worry about that on this one. So again, even for Battlefield, it's a great experience that you will be getting. Again guys, the campaign looks also gorgeous on this one. In fact, I'm waiting for the new Battlefield game that's going to be launching very, very soon. Would love to play that one on this laptop. Oops. So yeah, this was Battlefield, guys. So guys, overall I like this gaming laptop from Lenovo. As you saw, overall it's a very good package that we are getting. The screen is a very good screen. It's a 16-inch screen with that 165 hertz display, and the quality of the screen is also very good. Even for professional work, actually you can use it because it's color accurate. And I like the fact that though it's a gaming laptop, it can go up to 500 nits. Moving to the processor is a beast on this one. As you saw with the performance, that 5800H is a beast of a processor. So even for gaming, as you saw, it did gaming without any issues. But even for heavy tasks, for example like video editing and stuff, or rendering, this is a very powerful processor. In fact, I like that this laptop, though it's a gaming laptop, does not heat up that much even when it's stressed. When I was stressing this laptop exporting 4K videos also, yes, it became warm, but it didn't become uncomfortably hot. Now guys, moving to some of the shortcomings that I've noticed with this laptop. There is no fingerprint scanner on this laptop, so that is something that I have missed. And also it has all the ports, as I have mentioned, even the HDMI 2.1 port and the back Type-C port, you can charge it. But they should have also provided SD card slot, because I feel for productivity also this is a very good laptop. But anyways guys, if you're looking for a powerful Windows laptop, and if you have a budget about 1.6 lakhs, you can definitely have a look at this laptop. It's a very good laptop for the configuration that you are getting. Anyways, I'll leave the links in the description, guys. And now for the giveaway, guys, and I want to thank Lenovo and AMD for sponsoring this video and for the giveaway. And we'll be offering 3 laptops. Yes, 3 laptops as a giveaway, guys. The rules are pretty simple. You'll have to actually use this hashtag that I have created, and that is Geeky Ranjit Legion 5 Pro laptop giveaway. And again, you have to share this video on social media like Twitter, etc., and use the hashtag. I'll also be tweeting about this specific video, so again, comment on that video. I'll have the link in the description, guys, and use the hashtag so that I know, so I can track those entries, guys. So guys, it's pretty simple, I would say, but this giveaway will be only limited to Indian users. And after 2 weeks of publishing this video, I will be randomly selecting 3 winners, and I'll actually guys contact you via Twitter DM. So again, follow me. If you don't follow me, then I can't ask you. Those winners I'll be asking and getting the address details, and I'll pass that to the Lenovo team, and the Lenovo team will directly be sending you the brand new laptops. Check out the description area for all the details. Anyways guys, that's it for now for this video. What do you feel about this Lenovo Legion 5 Pro laptop? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, if you are still not subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.